Oscar-winning actor Leonardo DiCaprio, who is flexing his voice on climate change, has slammed US President Donald Trump's inaction on climate change. During the discussion at the Yale Climate Conference, he recalled his attempt to sway Donald Trump when he visited Trump, who was then president-elect, at Trump Tower, reports Entertainment Weekly. He said we presented him with a comprehensive plan to tackle climate change while also simultaneously harnessing the economical potential of green jobs. We talked about how the United Nations has the potential to lead the world in clean energy manufacturing and research and development. But all his efforts bit the dust as Trump subsequently shared that the US would pull out of the Paris Agreement and appointed Scott Pruitt to lead the Environmental Protection Agency. DiCaprio further shared, "We should not have people in office who do not believe in facts and truths and modern science that are able to manipulate and risk the entire future of this entire generation. We are at that turning point right now, and we are going to look back at this point in history, and frankly this administration and certain people are going to be vilified for not taking action. They really are. And it's up to this generation, it's up to all of you to get involved and make a difference." Trump's administration has taken numerous regressive actions regarding climate change and the environment.